Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here today. Whether you're a new subscriber or a long-time follower, your support means the world to me. Being a mama is rewarding but challenging, especially when it comes to ensuring your little ones are well fed. It's a journey filled with love, patience, and sometimes a bit of worry. If you're worried about your milk supply, don't fret. Many mothers face this concern, and it's completely normal. There are ways to support and enhance your milk production. Nature has some wonderful gifts to help support new mamas. From herbs to natural ingredients, there's a lot we can tap into to make this journey smoother. In this video, we're sharing my top 10 natural drinks to boost your breast milk production. These drinks are not only beneficial, but also delicious and easy to prepare. From lactation-boosting teas to nutritious smoothies, we've got you covered. Each drink is packed with ingredients known to support lactation and overall health. So grab something refreshing, get comfy, and let's dive right in. I promise you'll find something that works for you and makes your breastfeeding journey a bit easier. First up, fenugreek tea. This herbal tea has been cherished for generations, especially by breastfeeding mothers. This little herb is like a magic potion for breastfeeding mamas. It's known to help increase milk supply naturally. Fenugreek seeds contain saponins, which mimic estrogen, a key player in milk production. These compounds help stimulate the milk ducts and enhance milk flow. Making this tea is simple. Steep a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. The longer you steep, the stronger the flavor and benefits. Add honey or maple syrup if you like it sweet. These natural sweeteners can enhance the taste without compromising the benefits. If the taste is too strong, try adding cinnamon, ginger, or cardamom. These spices not only improve the flavor, but also add their own health benefits. And if you really can't handle the taste, fenugreek capsules are an option. They offer the same benefits in a more convenient form. Remember, start slow and see how your body reacts. Everyone's body is different, so it's important to monitor how you feel and adjust accordingly. Fenugreek can be a wonderful ally in your breastfeeding journey. Next up, oat milk. It's naturally sweet, creamy, and packed with nutrients like iron, fiber, and beta-glucan, which can increase milk supply. You can find oat milk at most grocery stores, but making your own is easy and fun. Blend rolled oats with water, strain, and you've got a delicious drink. Add maple syrup and vanilla extract for extra flavor. Impress your little ones with mama's special milk. Almond milk is another fantastic option. It's sweet, nutty, and a good source of protein, calcium, and vitamin E. It's lactose-free, making it a great plant-based alternative. Enjoy it straight, in coffee, tea, or smoothies. Making your own almond milk is rewarding and allows you to control sweetness and thickness. Use it in smoothies, oatmeal, and baking for a nutritious boost. Ginger tea is a versatile ingredient with many health benefits, especially for new mamas. It's soothing for nausea and digestive discomfort and can stimulate milk production. To make ginger tea, grate fresh ginger root and steep in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Add lemon or honey for extra flavor. It's a comforting way to unwind and boost your milk supply. Moringa tea is a wonderful find. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a multivitamin in a cup. Moringa enhances lactation and is caffeine-free, perfect for any time of day. Steep a teaspoon of dried moringa leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. The taste is earthy, but adding honey or lemon can help. The benefits are worth it. Fennel tea is another favorite for boosting milk supply. It contains phytoestrogens, which mimic estrogen. Fennel tea is also a good source of potassium, important for hydration and electrolyte balance. Steep a teaspoon of fennel seeds in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Add lemon or honey to taste. Its slightly sweet, licorice-like flavor is refreshing and uplifting. Coconut water is nature's sports drink, packed with electrolytes like potassium. It's essential to replenish fluids and electrolytes lost during breastfeeding. Coconut water is low in calories and naturally sweet. Find unsweetened coconut water without added flavors or preservatives. It's great for hydration and energy, perfect for smoothies or on its own. Lactation smoothies are a creative way to boost milk supply. Add leafy greens like spinach or kale for iron. Include fruits like bananas or berries for natural sweetness and energy. Add healthy fats like avocado, nut butter, or chia seeds for creaminess and sustained energy. Smoothies are versatile and delicious. They're a great way to pack in nutrients and support your breastfeeding journey. Barley water is a traditional drink for new mothers, supporting milk production and hydration. It's a good source of fiber, aiding digestion and regularity. To make barley water, simmer a cup of barley in 8 cups of water for 45 minutes. Strain and enjoy warm or cold with honey or lemon. Keep a pitcher in the fridge for a simple, effective way to stay hydrated. Carrot juice is nutritious and delicious, rich in beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A, essential for lactation. It's also a good source of potassium, calcium, and magnesium. Find carrot juice at grocery stores or juice your own at home. Add ginger or turmeric for extra flavor and health benefits. Use carrot juice in smoothies or baking for a nutrient boost. Well, there you have it, friends. We've explored some fantastic options today. My top 10 natural drinks to boost your breast milk supply. These drinks are not only nutritious, but also delicious. Every mama's journey is different, so find what works best for you and your little one. Remember, it's all about trial and error. Nourish yourself with healthy foods and drinks, and don't be afraid to ask for help. It's important to take care of your own well-being. Cherish these special moments with your little one. They grow up so fast. Make every moment count and create lasting memories. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Your support means the world to me. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Remember, you are doing an amazing job, Mama.